You searched how to buy shares of National Storage REIT, and this video will walk you through the essentials. National Storage REIT is an Australian self-storage REIT listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker NSR.ASX, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NSR.ASX to find National Storage REIT. Select the matching CBOE AUS listing to make sure you have the correct asset. Open the asset page to read the company's summary and view the price chart. Confirm the exchange shows CBOE AUS and the ticker NSR.ASX. Check the basic company information to ensure it is the right listing. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares, then carefully review order type, fees, and details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow the steps shown in this video.